This is my friend Cow. Say hello, Cow. Come here. Say hello. Oh, let's turn some light on in here. This is Cow. Say hello. Say hello, Cow. Cow's visiting me. And he brought Bill. Say hi, Bill.
Hi, Bill.
Say hello. Come here. Here. Ew. He just snotted on me. Here. You want to come up here? Okay. Sit. 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 See, this is Cow. How old is Cow now?
10.
10? Cow. Come here. Okay, fine. I guess he's shy. He doesn't want to be vlogged.
Oh.
Has Cow been my friend for 5 years? Almost. Huh. And Bill's here watching sports, of course. Basketball. We had Chinese food. It was really good. That was probably the best Chinese food I've ever had. Cow, eat your food. Come here. Get your food. Get it. Have some. Have some. Is that good? Yummy. He's so funny. So I wanted to introduce Cow. He's behaving. He's being a good boy. Where did he go? Say bye-bye, Cow. Say bye-bye, YouTubers. Say peace. Okay, that was Cow. Say peace, Bill.
Peace, Bill.
Bye. Okay. Cow's in his bed. Aw, Cow. He's in his little bed. Aw. He's so cute. Look at him. Are you good, Cow? He's good. Poor baby. Poor put upon Cow. So now he's all better now. Okay. Cow's a good boy. He went and laid down in his bed. So now he's gonna relax. Good night, Cow. Aww. Is Daddy laying next to you? Oh, Cow. How cute. Give Daddy a kiss.
He doesn't kiss me. He won't kiss me.
I gotta turn that air off because it's blowing on him.
It's freezing in here.
I know. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. I'm gonna turn the air off. There we go. Ooh, much better. Well, anything's freezing to you. You didn't have air conditioning for, what, 100 years? Yay! Cow's being a good boy.
Turn that thing off.
Turn that thing off? No, see, Cow likes being on screen. Huh, Cow? Cow the star. Cow the YouTube star. Say, I'm gorgeous. Look at his ears. What's with your ears? Why are your ears back? Are you gonna go sleepy? Yeah, there he goes. Say night-night, Cow. He's not gonna have beer. He's too young to have beer. You have to be 21 to drink beer. Oh. Okay, say goodnight. Good night, Cow. Bye-bye. With your beer.